What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Target unboxing. Well, I already unboxed everything because I didn't want to have a hard time while being on camera, but I haven't smelled nothing yet. So I found this off of TikTok, of course, right? So this is the frenshe line by Ashley Tisdale, High School Musical. All I wanna do is be with you. Okay, you get what I'm saying? So I was like, oh, let me go ahead and smell it. So let me go ahead and get it. So she has a bunch of stuff, and this van is like this brand is like cruelty free, vegan, all that good stuff. So let's just get right into it, and then I'll tell y'all what intrigued me and how, and you know, things like that. Because when I'm obsessed with something, I have to do a lot of research about it. So yeah, like before I buy it, you know what I'm saying, I have to do a lot of research about it. I don't just, yeah. So let's just get right into it. So this is frenshe. This is cashmere vanilla soothing comfort hair, body, and linen mist. So you can put this all over your bed too. So let's just get, I don't know why I'm scared. Okay, so let me show you what I got. I got the body, I got the hair body mist, I got the lotion, and then I got the body and hair oil. And everything is in the scent cashmere vanilla. I'm a vanilla girl. I love vanilla everything. So okay, let's try it. I burned myself curling my hair, so but it's healing. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I don't know why I'm nervous. If that ain't fall, oh my god. Let me let it, you know, dry down. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, so when you're supposed to put body oil on first before you put lotion on, right? So this is the Cashmere Radiance body oil. I appreciate that it comes with, do y'all see that? I appreciate that it comes with this type of dropper. I really like that. Put some on. Y'all, it smells so good. Hold on, I gotta take the tape off. Hater. I did just a little bit. Oh, it settles into the skin very nicely. I have no words, y'all. Let me close this before I spill it. This stuff smells so freaking good. I want the whole line from Cashmere Vanilla, and I am also willing to try the other scents. That is how good this shit smells. And everything is $14. Okay. And you get a good amount of product as well. So this looks like my Sol de Janeiro 71. Oh my god. And it has its own smell. Like, I thought I was in love with Sol de Janeiro. This right here, I don't even know what to spray it on. Oh my god. It smells so freaking good. I don't know what. Paraben free, cruelty free, dermatologist tested, fragrance infused with essential oils. I like that. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. Ashley Tisdale, you're getting my money. You're getting my money. So, okay. What intrigued me to buy this, right? The packaging, and a lot of people on TikTok was saying that it's really, really good, right? And then another price point, the fact that it's Ashley Tisdale. I love me some her. And then I went on Ashley Tisdale's page, her TikTok. Was it her TikTok, or did she do a... I think frenshe has a TikTok, and I went on their TikTok or their Instagram, and she was talking about how she has anxiety, right? And so, which I have anxiety too, and she was talking about how she has anxiety and how she couldn't sleep and all that stuff. So this is supposed to, like, you know, calm your anxiety and things like that, especially the lavender line. The lavender line is really supposed to be calming, and it's supposed to, you know, make you fall asleep. It's supposed to make you feel calm and, you know, shit like that. But just her opening up about her having anxiety, that really sold me, because you don't really see celebrities open up about stuff like that, especially in a way like she did it. Like, I don't know, I felt, I have to find, where's my iPad? My iPad is on the bed, but if I find the video, if I, you know, had time to find the video, I would find it. But she just seemed so genuine. Like, she was just in her bathroom talking, you know, applying the products, talking about the products, but it was just so genuine. And I was just like, this makes me want to buy it. You know what I'm saying? When celebrities are being genuine and speaking out about certain things, you know, that's, for me, that's what makes me want to buy celebrities' products, when they actually come out and use it, and they show you how to use it, and they open up and tell you about certain things. I'm just like, wow, okay, so that sold me. And yeah, Cashmere Vanilla, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. And I like how she says the tube is made of 57% plastic. Our products are mood science scent technology, connecting the power of the scent and wellness. Smells like cozy vanilla, toasted jasmine, rice sandalwood, fragrance infused with soothing essential oils and upcycled vanilla. I love this. I love this. This is a milky body lotion, and it's infused with coconut oil and agave extract. Yeah, I love this. It smells good. I love the packaging. I love how she has a body oil as well. And I also love the price point too. And I love that it's in Target, because I don't have to go way over yonder to find it. You know what I'm saying? Like, my Target is down the street. even though the girlies, I live in a very young area, you know what I'm saying? I live in LA, so a lot of girls are on TikTok just like me, finding stuff, and so everything always be sold out. So I always go for online. I always just go for buying shit online from my Target, because yeah, I live in a very young area, so the girlies be on TikTok just like I do. Anyways, yeah, this stuff smells amazing. Like I said, everything was $14.99. Everything, nothing is over $20. Nothing is over $20, and I absolutely, y'all, it just smells so good. Now, I don't like lavender. Growing up, my grandmother, she always had like lavender lotion and lavender not body spray, but lavender. She always bathed with lavender for bed, and I hated the smell. I grew up with the smell. I hate that smell. You know what I'm saying? To this day, I hate it. I hated it when I was a kid. I hate it now. But she does have a lavender line as well. I'm gonna spray it if I can find a tester, but I'm definitely getting everything in this line except for bath bombs. I don't take baths. She has a bath bomb, she has a candle, she has a what is it called? It's like a rolling stick. I'm definitely gonna get that, but I think that's like $16.99. This brand has definitely sold me to buy everything from the Cashmere Vanilla collection. I'm in love. It's already a loud scent. However, when you pair everything together, it's going to be a lasting scent. That's why I like buying things that have lotion and body oil, just to make the scent last longer. She also has a body wash as well. I'm gonna get that. Yeah, I'm getting everything in this line. Yes, this is something that I want to smell like all the time, especially during the fall months. I appreciate that this lotion comes in an 8-ounce bottle. I really do appreciate that, and I appreciate that it's still $14.99. So like, this is 4 fluid ounces. This is 5 and this is 8, but everything is still $14.99. I appreciate that really, really well. I like that. Yeah. Miss Ashley Tisdale, you did a good job. I like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And because I put the lotion, the body spray, and the oil on the same arm in the same spot, this much is gonna last. I'm sold. I'm definitely sold. I like this. Now, this body hair radiance oil infused with shea butter and jojoba seed oil. Ashley Tisdale for girls. Yes, ma'am. I don't know about putting this in my hair. I kind of would have to see. I would have to look on the website to see like some benefits of putting this in my hair. But on my skin, definitely for the win. It does have shea butter and jojoba seed oil, which is definitely what my hair loves. My hair loves me some jojoba oil and some shea butter. But yeah. This smells so good. I'm sold. I'm gonna buy another one. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Treese. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. It was a little chilly here in LA today, especially in the morning time. Child, let's go. But yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.